Okay, go.
Oh! She's trying to see what dynamics is involved in catching the ball. Can you get the line?
It's like a song.
Try, oh there you go, good. Try it a little higher so she really has to catch it. Good one, Maureen.
Don't hit the ceiling.
Throw it high for me.
Don't hit the ceiling.
Louise, throw it at the ceiling. Are you done yet? You're not even paying attention to me.
Okay, that should be good. Hope this works.